Welcome to GeorgeWay mathTV.
So how am I going to translate these sentences into an equation? Okay. Well, this is saying the difference of a number times 3 and 7 is equal to 2. Use the variable w for the unknown number. Well, anytime I see words like difference, I learned when I see words like difference, sum, quotient, product, I have to just replace that with the and that I see in the question. So now I'm going to start reading from here. A number, and I'm being to use the variable w for that number. So a number, which is w, so I will start with w. So a number times 3. So times 3. And I'm replacing the difference with the n. Difference means minus. So I'm putting minus 7 is equal to 2. And that's it. But w times 3 is 3w. So I can just change that to 3w. So I have 3w minus 7 equals 2. I'm not solving, I'm just being asked to translate to an equation. So I'm good. What about this one right here? 3 more than means plus. So 3 plus. Again, I see those words that I was being told. So the product. So when I see word again, quotient, product, difference, and sum, I'm gonna replace it with the end in the question. So I saw one here, difference. Now I'm seeing product. So first I had 3 more than, so 3 plus. The product, I see one of those words, so I'm gonna replace that with the end. So that means I'm gonna jump from here and go here. So 3 more than a number, and I'm being asked to use the variable b for that number. So 3 more than a number, which is b, and I'm replacing product with and. So let me write my b. Well, so I'm replacing product with the and. So now I'm going to put times 5 equals 6. And that's it. But b times 5 is 5b. So instead of having b times 5, I can just say I know it's 5b. So let me just change that to 5b. So that's my equation. What about that one right here? This one too says 5 times the difference of a number and 80 is equal to 7. And I should use the variable c for the unknown number. So 5 times, so I have 5 times, again, I see one of the words right here, difference. So I'm going to jump to a number. So 5 times a number, because I'm replacing the difference at the end. So where I see end, I'm just going to put the difference there. So 5 times a number, which I'm being asked to use the variable c. So now end is difference, and difference is minus. So minus 8. And the fact that I have 2, I have a variable and a number like that, I can put that in parentheses, by the way. Is equal to 7. And that's it. But anytime I have a number with parentheses like that, I can choose not to bring it. There's always a multiplication there, but I can choose not to bring it. So this, I could leave it like that, or I can just take it out. Same thing. And that's it. I just translate it to an equation. I don't have to solve it. And I'm good. Now is your turn. I want you to do some of these questions on your own, right? And the more you do it, that's how you're going to get it. Okay?
Please don't forget to subscribe, tap the bell to be notified for new videos, and share.